Hi, Luke. You tooted. Are you gonna talk some more? Huh? You gonna talk some more? Your tongue up on your... Picture. What do you see? Do you see the picture up on the wall? Huh? The picture up on the wall? Hi. What do you have your tongue on your roof for? Yeah. What's up there? Hi. Can you wave? Moving your arms? Big stretch. Big stretch. Say hi, Balboa. Whoa, that startled me too. Balboa. You probably wants to play, huh? Okay, can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave? Yeah! Okay. You burping?